Get, the most versatile topic, the most diverse topic. Get is like an ocean, and we have to take the drops of an ocean, because get is taking the help of all these things. And the most important use of get is this point, number 3 point, because it starts from here and ends here. Get, use of get is the most complicated issue. And if you watch this video till the end of this video, you will get to know where is the grammatical errors and how to use get in various contexts. Because the bigger portion or the biggest portion of grammar or any use is the use of get. This is the importance of get, and you can say that get is the hard working word. Get is the laborious word. Get is so strong word that he never tries to be tired at any moment. Why? Because he is taking the place of all these things. So first of all, without any ado, we have to take into consideration these 7 uses of get, and you will come to know how important is get. So without any further ado, we just go ahead and just watch the mind map which I have selected, which I have drawn for you in order to make you understand where to use get and how to avoid the mistake or the grammatical errors in the usage of get. So the very first usage is the usage of obtain or receive. You don't have to use the word obtain or receive, just use the word get. For example, I get a gift, I get a letter, I get a job. Don't say I receive a letter, just say I get a letter. Don't say I obtained the letter. No, I get the letter. So wherever you have to use the word receive or obtain, just use the word get. Number 2, very important use according to the correction rule. Very important. Just stay tuned, because I am going to make you clear where you have to use to with get and where you don't have to use to with get. So number 2 usage is arrive at a place. When you arrive at a place, you should have to use get, not arrive. Not arrive. You have to use the word get. For example, get to school. I get to school. I get to school. Don't say I arrive at the school. No, I get to school. I get home. I get to airport. Now, very important usage is here, and the most students make grammatical errors because they use get and to together, and they don't distinguish where you have to use to with get and where you don't have to use to with get. So wherever there is the word like here, there, or home, 3 words, where, here, there, or home, 3 words, there, here, or home, 3 words. You don't have to use to. It's grammatically wrong concept. No to with here, there, or home. For example, I get home, I get there, I get here. So don't use arrive, just use get. And when you are having the nouns like here, there, or home, don't use to with get. Now, very important usage is now coming at the 3rd point, the most important point, and I can say that this is the crux of my video. This is the essence of my video, because I am going to elaborate it in these forms where you have to attach some adjective. Yes, my dear audience, get plus adjective, get plus adjective, and the most popular adjectives are here. Because we do not know where we have to place get and where we have to place the correct adjective. So I have drawn a list of adjectives with correct usage of get. For example, if you have to say become or feel something, become or feel something. Now This point is why it is so much important. This point is so important because here you feel because of some experience. You feel or you become because of some experience. This is the result of some experience. For example, very important usage, get tired. Get tired. Now, tired, why we use it? This is the result of some work. You did a lot of work, that's why you feel or you get tired. Don't say feel. Don't say feel. Don't say become tired. No, you get tired. And this is the result of some experience. And the experience was work, laborious work. You did a lot of work. That's why you get tired. Number 3 point is very important. Get plus adjective. Why? Because of some experience you feel the results. You see the results. All these adjectives are in fact the results of some experience. Now again, get late. Maybe you were busy. That's why you get late. Busy, experience, result, late. Get late. Get late. Important one. Get married, get annoyed. Whenever you have to say annoyed means extreme level of angry. For example, someone misbehaved with you, that's why you get annoyed. Some experience misbehavior, result annoyed. So you have some experience and you are feeling the results in the form of some adjective. So get an adjective. Get an adjective. Very important usage. Get angry. Whenever you have to say get angry, get tired, you get angry. Why? Because of some teasing behavior, because of some misconduct, you become or you get tired, you get angry. You get angry. Don't say become, don't say feel, always say get. Now again, very important, get thirsty. Why? Because of some heavy work, you get thirsty. Heavy work, experience. Get thirsty, result. Next, get married. Very important usage according to the grammatical. Whenever you have to say married, you have to say get married. You get married in an early age. You get married in an early age because you don't have your friends, because you don't have your parents, that's why you get married earlier. So the result, the experience was you were not having your parents and the result is you get married. Get old, very important usage. Get old, get old, get old. You have passed many years, that's why you get old. Passing many years, experience, result, getting old. Get dark, get dark. As you know, the day is end or the day is ended and it's getting dark. Day has become end or day is ended. Experience, result is getting dark. Result is getting dark. Are you getting my point? If you are just taking any new information, hit that bell icon because this video is very important video on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned till the end of this video. I am saying you again. Next one, get crazy. Oh my God. Because of adverse circumstances, because of poverty, because of some issues in his home, he get crazy. Result, experience, bad circumstances. Experience, poverty. And result is get crazy. Get cool. Oh my God. Due to winter, it's getting cool outside. Due to winter, it's getting cool outside. Not. It's summer and it's getting hot inside. It's getting hot inside. Getting cool or getting hot. Because of winter, because of summer. Winter and summer are experiences and the result is getting cool, getting hot. Get nervous. Get nervous. Are you noticing that I have utilized the adjectives? I have utilized all the adjectives. All the adjectives with get. Get plus adjectives in order to describe the results of some experiences. Nervous. I I was surrounded by many people, or I was surrounded by a crowd. That's why I got nervous. I got nervous. The result was nervousness. Experience, I was surrounded by a crowd of people. That's why I got nervous. Get hungry. Get hungry. I didn't eat food in the morning. That's why I am getting hungry. I am getting hungry. Hungry is the result. Experience, you didn't eat anything in the morning. That's why you are feeling or you are getting hungry. Get confused. Whenever you are in the foreigners, you get confused whether I should stay silent or whether I should produce the words. So important usage is this. And next most important use is now. Understand or learn something. Whenever you are learning something or understanding something, don't use the word understand or learn. Just say the word get. This is the importance of get. I get the point. I get the idea. I get an education. Get the idea. Get an education. Get the point. Oh my God. Oh, so important is the topic of get, the versatile topic. Next is when you recover from some illness. When you recover from some illness, you have to use the word. Don't use the word recover. Always use the word get. I get better. I get well soon. Get well soon. Get over an illness. Oh my God, when you control some illness, you should say get over an illness. You have the power to get over an illness. You have the power, you have the ability, you have the strong willpower to get over this illness. Next one, escape or avoid. Escape or avoid. When you are running from some situation, when you are just avoiding some situation or escaping some situation, don't use the word escape or avoid. Just use this word, the one word, the mightiest word, get. Get away from trouble. Get away from trouble. Please don't indulge in some trouble. Get away from trouble. Get away. Escape from trouble? No. Get away from trouble. Get away from trouble. Next one, get along with someone. Don't say escape with someone. No. Get along with someone. Get along with someone. Next, get out of difficult situation. Get out of difficult situation. You don't have to use the word escape or avoid. Just say get out of this difficult situation. And the last and the most important point is this one. When you go or move to a higher position, you have to, don't use the word move or a higher position, just use get up, get up, get on the top, get on the top, get ahead. When you have to say go ahead, move ahead, don't say, just say get ahead, get on the top, get up. So this is the usage of get. If you want another video of get, because I have lot of information regarding get, I have just summarized it. Forms of get and imperative plus get, go and get, and many other things I didn't have completed in this video. Idiomatic expressions, some get phrasal verbs, and a lot more things. If you want, just say in the comment section that we want a next episode. We want next episode of this get, the versatile topic. And if you like my effort, please kindly share it with at least 10 friends of yours, because this is my motivation, of course. So till the next video, stay happy, stay tuned, and stay happy, and thank you so much. Have a nice day.